Today we're here in the quiet neighborhood of South Forbes Villas in Silang, Cavite to feature this modern colonial design home. Let's begin our house tour. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media where we have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. This property is located inside the quiet neighborhood of South Forbes Villas in Silang, Cavite. For the details of the landmarks or the establishments near this property, you can check out the description box. You can check it out down below. Nandyan din po ang ating pricing. For the lot area, this property sits in the lot area of 152 square meters with a floor area of 145 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a powder room, a maid's room with its own toilet and bath, your kitchen, a living space, a dining room, and also your pocket garden and a carport that can fit your 1 car. So tara, ikutin na natin ang labas ng bahay na to. Let's begin first by admiring the beautiful design of the exterior part of the property, the combination of the white, the dark colors, and the brown. It's very nice, napakaganda po niya, very timeless po yung design niya. Me personally, I really like this design. This is modern colonial design. And recently, parang nauuso siya ngayon kasi I've been seeing a couple of houses on the internet that has this design. Now, upon turnover, this property includes your fence and also your gate. And as you can see, you already have your landscaping. So tara, pasok tayo here sa pedestrian gate natin. So as we enter, on the left side of your property will be your designated carport that can fit your 1 car. And then from here will be the access going to your service area with your faucet and your sink. And nandyan rin po ang ating maid's room, which later we'll be exploring. But first, let's go around the other side of the property, which will be your landscape garden area. As you can see, it's beautifully landscaped already. Kailangan nyo na lang po lumipat, hindi nyo na po kailangan maghanap ng sarili nyong gardener or a landscaper that will design this property. It's beautifully landscaped, which gives you that feeling na sobrang warm siya and sobrang cozy po niya. Now, as we explore here on the side of the property, yung size po ng ating setback from the property line all the way to the neighbor will be 2 meters, which is enough space or ample space to just move around. So here is the first access of the garden going inside the dining area. It is a 4-panel sliding glass door, which is very nice because you can open this up and then you can enjoy yung greeneries po ng labas ng bahay natin. Now, you also have a patio here at the back wherein you can put tables and chairs. You can put maybe an umbrella so that you can have a protection from the weather. And then you can put tables and chairs here. This can act as your private dining area or your secret place to sit down and just relax. You can maybe put a small sofa or an outdoor dining set or an outdoor living set so that you have that indoor-outdoor space that also has an access going inside the house. So tara, we're done. And tara, punta muna tayo dun sa other side before we go inside the property. We're here on the other side of the exterior part of the property. So again, this is your 1 carport that can fit your SUV that leads all the way to your service area and your laundry area. As you can see, you have a very long counter here that you can use to work, or maybe you can just cook here, you can do your laundry, you can do your chopping. You can actually add additional cabinets on top so that you can have more storage. You can cover this up so that you have a covered storage place, and you also have a ready-made space there for your laundry. Now, dito rin sa ating service area will be the access door going to your maid's room, which is currently right now is the storage for the paint kasi kakatapos ng bahay na to. You have a very spacious maid's room. You have a spacious toilet for the maids. So sobrang ganda po niya. Okay, so as we enter the property, as you can see, we're greeted by solid wood door panels and also your digital door lock. So it really comes in handy. Pwede na po yung fingerprint, and also you can do your numerical keypads. So as we enter, we'll be greeted by our living space. It's just a good size, a good intimate size for a small family. You have your windows, your 4-panel windows on both sides, which gives you that natural flow of light. And you have your cove lighting here. You have your LED lights on the ceiling, and you also have your gray or off-white gray with a mix of parang sandy tiles on the flooring, na 60 by 60. It's very, very nice. Now here on the side of the entryway or your foyer is pwede kayo maglagay ng, you can put your mirror, you can put a table here so that it gives you that very welcoming vibe. So as you move a little bit further, what I like about this is they use the stairs as a divider from your kitchen and living and also your dining. So it gives that, you know that the zones of the different parts of the house. Now, here, right up in front of the stairs or near the stairs will be the access door going to the service area. Unlike the other houses that I've featured, typically, it's at the back of the house. This one that they did, ang design niya is niligay niya dito sa corner ng isang side ng bahay niya. And also, underneath the stairs, they made use it properly. Meron tayong surprise. So as you can see, you have your Bluetooth panels. You also have your secret access door going inside your powder room. It comes complete with your tiles. You also have your sink, you have your faucet, you already have your mirror, and you also have your toilet. And then from the toilet, you also have your cabinets. Now, right beside, and as you move a little bit further, will be your formal kitchen. So what we used for the counter are quartz countertop. By the way, this center counter is movable according to how you like it, how you want to personalize it. You have your glossy cabinets there. You already have your range hood, and you have your cooktop, and you have your oven here. You also have your dual sink, and then you also have a lot of spaces to put your things. Now, right across our kitchen area or our formal kitchen would be your dining area. For the dining area, what I like about this space would be your double sliding glass doors that has a view of the garden, and also you have a view of the back part, which again, kanina sinabi ko, you can convert it into a outdoor living space or an additional outdoor dining space wherein you can entertain your guests. This can easily fit your 6-seater or 8-seater dining table, and you have here a blank space wherein you can put your family portrait, you can put a mirror, you can put a table here, which is very, very nice. You know what I like about this property? Sobrang classy ng pagkakagawa niya, sobrang ganda ng interior. Kaya I would like to invite you to see this in the actual, because it's not enough to just see this in the video kasi sobrang ganda po talaga niya. Welcome to the second floor. But before we show you the second floor, here we have the stairs. Ang composition po ng materials na ginamit sa stairs will be, yung pinaka-base po niya would be concrete hollow blocks. And you also have your wooden steps. And then yung railings po natin are made of tubular steel. Now, as you can see, you have a very, very big in 8-panel glass here that gives you the ample lighting so that it can light up your stairs during the day and even in the evening. So, hindi po nyo kailangan masyado mag-ilaw during the daytime. Now, here on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and you have 2 toilet and bath. Now, let's first explore the toilet and bath, or the common toilet and bath. Now, before we proceed, just admire the door. As you can see, typically yung doors natin may certain height lang, hindi siya ganun kataas. Like this, ito mas mataas po siya ng konti. So that gives you that high ceiling. As you can see dito rin sa second floor, high ceiling yung ating flooring. Now, for the toilet and bath, it comes inclusive of your sink. You already have your bathroom mirror with your lighting, and you have your glass enclosure, your shower. You have a niche there that you can put your soaps and also your shampoo and your other bathroom essentials, and you have your rack here, and you have your toilet. Now, right beside the common toilet and bath of the second floor would be the first bedroom of the house. By the way, all rooms in the house comes inclusive of an air conditioning or a window type aircon for all rooms in the house, and you have 2 windows for all rooms because this is a detached on the second floor. And as you can see, yung flooring natin here on the second floor is it's tiles, but it's wood grain finish. And what I like about this, I think it's 30 by 60 or 30 by 120 yung size niya, kaya please correct me if I'm wrong. But it's very nicely and very classy looking. And as you can see, even the sockets, ang color niya is bronze. So it's very, very nice. Now, right beside the room here, right beside the room is a second bedroom, is the identical room, same as the first one, but iba lang yung pagkakapwesto ng ating cabinet. You have it hidden all the way there. It's a full-size cabinet. It's rectangular in shape. Compared to the first one, yung first one natin is squarish. This one, you can easily fit your sink, your double bed, even maybe your queen-size bed, you just easily fit it here. Sobrang ganda niya. Again, you have your 2 windows, high ceiling LED lights. Now, let's go to the master's bedroom. So the master's bedroom is the biggest bedroom in the house. It has its own toilet and bath, and meron din po siyang cabinet. You have more cabinets here. You have a cabinet here on this side that has an access going to the bathroom, and on the other side you have another cabinet. Now what's nice about this space is you can put your king size, even your queen size bed. And ang maganda rin dito is high ceiling pa rin siya. You have your beautiful flooring, and you have your balcony, which you can just lie down and relax. You can put a cabinet there. You can put tables and chairs there so that you can enjoy yung mornings or afternoons. By the way, you just look at this, yung side na to. Let me just close this. So this is the first cabinet. So this is the cabinets here. You can place more clothes here. And then on the other side will be another cabinet space. By the way, this will be turned over with a huge mirror here. That's already included in the turnover of the property. Now, this has, I think, a slightly bigger toilet and bath as compared to the first bathrooms that we saw. You have your sink, you have your bathroom mirror with your lighting, and you also have your toilet, glass enclosure, and you have your shower. And then punta naman tayo dun sa balcony natin. You know what? This is a very nice property, and some of you may say, bakit ang mahal niya, especially if you check the description box. But if you ask me, this is South Forest Villas. If you check it out, it's really hard to enter here. Very secure, very safe, very peaceful. As you can see, it's just a very quiet neighborhood. So if you would like to live in a quiet neighborhood and this fits your price range, you can contact us in the contact description down below. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual, or you would like to know more about this property, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. You can also go on our social media accounts. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and also our LinkedIn. You can inquire from there, and we can give you the details that you need. Now, if you're still looking for a property, you would like to get updated with our latest listings or the listings that we're about to post on our YouTube account, you can join our Viber and WhatsApp community. It's on the description box. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!